write down the words, how can I? So for example, you would like to get promoted at work, you want to advance. So instead of getting into like, oh, I don't know how to get promoted, it doesn't work for me, my coworkers get promoted, my boss doesn't like me, I don't have the skills, I'm not confident, whatever it is, instead of getting yourself into that negative spiral and telling yourself constantly the negative opposite of what you actually want, ask yourself, how can I get promoted? And then listen to yourself, because you know already the answers. You know that maybe your leadership skills you want to have some training, or it could be some technical skills, or maybe confidence or relationships, whatever it is. You want to listen to yourself because you do know what is easy for you and what is more challenging for you. So ask yourself, how can I? And then listen, and whatever comes up, take action, improve your skills, advance. And you can also ask your boss, and you can ask co-workers or trusted friends. Ask them, how can I advance at work? What else can I do? How can I? And they will give you advice, because people want you to advance. And of course, you want to ask trusted co-workers and trusted friends, but you will get advice, and then you can gradually improve your skills. And the same applies for your sports performance. For example, you have a big, exciting goal for 2022. You want to participate in a very exciting competition, and it's truly a level up for you. So ask yourself, how can I? And then think about all the things you want to do to accomplish that. So are you, for example, for your sports competition, are you training regularly? Do you have a coach? Do you have a trainer? Is your nutrition accordingly? And instead of telling yourself, oh, I can't do it, I want to do it, I would like to do it, but I can't, I don't know how to do it. No, ask yourself, how can I? Ask your trainer, ask your coach, research, how can I? And what most important is, then whatever you come up with, take little steps, because the little steps add up. Every day a little step, you will be amazed how far you are coming. And it will be so inspiring and so motivating for you when you see you are making progress. So little steps, ask yourself, ask friends, trainers, coaches, ask trusted people, how can I? Listen and take action. Small little steps, and the little steps add up.